Get ready, Apple enthusiasts! The tech giant is set to launch its highly anticipated iPhone 17 series in just a few months, promising a game-changing lineup that includes the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and the showstopper, iPhone 17 Ultra. This fresh approach hints at the end of the iPhone 17 Plus and iPhone 17 Pro Max models, as Apple redefines its product strategy for better positioning. Meet the iPhone 17 Ultra, a redefinition of excellence. The iPhone 17 Ultra, formerly known as the Pro Max, is set to impress with groundbreaking updates in design and performance. Rumors suggest a striking 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powered by the latest A19 Pro chipset, this device could boast up to 12 GB RAM and a massive 1 TB storage, making it a powerhouse for both productivity and entertainment. But that's not all. Apple might introduce innovative thermal management with a dedicated vapor cooling chamber and a graphite layer, ensuring top-notch performance even under heavy usage. To top it off, the iPhone 17 Ultra could deliver an astounding 33 hours of battery life, keeping you powered throughout the day. Capture the world like never before. Photography enthusiasts rejoice. The iPhone 17 Ultra is rumored to feature a triple camera system, each offering 48MP precision for stunning detail. From ultra-wide landscapes to telephoto shots with 3x optical zoom, this phone is a shutterbug's dream. On the front, expect a high-quality 24MP selfie camera, perfect for capturing your best moments. A fresh take on design. Leaks and renders reveal an exciting new look, featuring a redesigned camera island. While the familiar triple camera setup remains, the LiDAR sensor and flash are repositioned for a sleeker aesthetic. Fans can anticipate a seamless blend of the camera module and rear panel colors, adding to its premium appeal. Launch timeline. Mark your calendars. The iPhone 17 Ultra, along with its siblings, is expected to debut in September, with reports hinting at a launch event between September 11th and 13th. Although Apple has yet to confirm these dates, anticipation is reaching new heights.